Tata has confirmed the launch timeline for the Curvv EV. Launch. It is expected to go on sale in the second half of 2024, around July 16th. Price. The Curvv EV could be priced from 20 rupees lakh ex-showroom. Seating capacity. Tata Curvv EV will come in a 5-seater configuration. Battery, electric motor, and range. The Curvv EV is built on Tata's Gen 2 platform and might have a range of up to 500 kilometers. Its battery and electric motor specifications are yet to be revealed. Features. Key features will likely include a 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system, 10.25-inch digital driver's display, a touch-enabled climate control panel, ventilated front seats, and a panoramic glass roof. Safety. The Curvv EV is expected to be equipped with 6 airbags, a 360-degree camera, and advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, like autonomous emergency braking, AEB, and adaptive cruise control. Rivals. The Tata Curvv EV will take on the MG ZS EV and Hyundai Kona Electric. Tata Curvv ICE. The Tata Curvv has been spied on test once again ahead of its launch in the second half of 2024. Pros. Feature-laden. Excellent design, butch stance. Expected to have a high rating for safety. Cons. Coupe roofline could restrict tall occupants. Visibility through the rear windscreen. For more car reviews, subscribe our YouTube channel, Cars Deco.